Hi friends, welcome to Non-Functional Club. In this session we will understand about Battery Historian tool. We will see how to host the Battery Historian image through Docker and how to launch the Battery Historian web application in our machine's browser. Let us have an introduction to Battery Historian tool. Battery Historian is developed by Google and launched in the year 2016. It is basically a web application. This tool analyzes the phone behavior and it reviews the battery related events in the device. Battery Historian can analyze battery on Android devices with OS version 5 and above. Now let us understand how Battery Historian tool functions. So Android mobiles have an inbuilt battery stats log storage system that keeps on collecting the logs. So we will fetch this battery stat logs on our computer using the ADB commands. After the logs are fetched, we will use these logs in Battery Historian tool to generate a proper HTML report. So these are the steps which we just discussed in the last pictorial view. So let us see how we can install Battery Historian tool. This is open source tool and it is available on a GitHub repository. We will visit this link. So this is our GitHub Battery Historian repository. For installation we will be using Docker. Using this particular command we can pull the Battery Historian image and run it on our desired port. We can even use Linux and Mac OS. For enabling Docker on Windows machine, we will need to have prerequisites present, like enabling the virtualization in BIOS. So if you have not yet installed Docker in your machine, please visit our previous tutorial on Docker installation and that would help you to install Docker. As we already have Docker Toolbox installed, we will just use these two commands to pull the image and run it on desired port. First let us pull the Battery Historian image. We will use docker pull and the image name. So let us launch the Docker Toolbox. Here we will paste the command and we will allow the Battery Historian image to download. So I'll be adding all these commands in the description section, so it will be easy for you to just copy and paste in the Docker Toolbox. We will wait for the image to get downloaded. So we can see that the image is pulled successfully. Now we'll try to run this image. To run this image, we'll have to choose a port that is not currently used in the machine in which we have configured Battery Historian. So we'll run the command docker-run port with the battery image. Let us just paste the command. We will have to give a port for this command to run. So we will use 1234 as currently that port is not configured on my machine. We'll just hit enter and we can see that the port is listening on 9999. That means the Battery Historian image is up and running. To check whether the Battery Historian web application is running or not, we will launch this image or we will launch Battery Historian on our machine's browser. So just copy the IP address from Docker. We'll paste this IP address on our browser. We will give colon and 1234, the port on which Battery Historian is hosted. So we can see the web application has launched and it is ready to use. In this way we can launch the Battery Historian image. There is one link on which Battery Historian is already up and running. It is recommended that you use this link only for test data purpose. Don't use this link for your confidential logs. Always try to use the Docker setup or Docker installation for Battery Historian tool. So this is about Battery Historian installation through Docker Toolbox. In the next session we will see how to collect logs from the device and how to read the Battery Historian report. Hope this session was useful. Thank you.